Oh, so for this video, it's the dimension types. We're going to think about dimlinear, dimangle, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, center mark, uh, rotated, align, and continue with some baseline stuff. So now we're going to have to start using our skills. They give us, a 5 by 2 rectangle with a circle in the middle, and the circle's radius is 2.5. Uh, so the best thing to do if they don't give us specific points, we just start with our rect. Remember, now we can start using dynamic input. So I could do rect my dynamic input, or I could click on it. They want the, let's do it at 3, and then it's 2 by 5. Actually 5 by 2. All right, I'm using my flywheel, scrolling in, grab where I want to design. On the bottom, I got to make sure that my snap is on, and then I could also look to make sure midpoints is ticked on. For this one, maybe turn on geometric center. Talk about that in a second. If you notice, nothing happens yet. It's not looking for centers. It's not looking for midpoints. That stuff will start to happen once I have something selected on. All right, so at the midpoint, um, they don't give us the dimensions of the circle, so let's make it 0.5. One more time, circle. That's one way. I could also dynamic input circle. I have my geometric center, so I'm just going to click that point. The radius, I guess let's make it 0.5, see what happens. All right, good. Now I know that this circle is in the center of this. Now we're using the linear dim, so same thing. Uh, if we're looking at the first one, dim linear, so click on dim linear, specify the first extension. So on this one, and then we drag it out, should be 2. I can hit space to turn it back on. 2.5. And then the whole thing should be 5. So I clicked the 2 points and I drag down, and now it's measured off the same way. The next one is a triangle with all the same sides. So that's an equilateral triangle. So they don't have a triangle thing. So we're going to start with line. Let's make it 8H. So I know there's room. All right, now we got to use some of our logic. Let's go at it's all going to be 2 in 0 direction. Good. 2. Um, let's go. Let's do some math. It's all going to be 60-degree angles, right? So 60's there, 90's there. 90 plus 60 is going to be to get to 180. So 60 minus 180 minus 60 is going to be 120. All right, we can close it. Enter. All right, then we have that isosceles triangle, and we're going to do the dim aligned command. So dim aligned 1.2.2. Hit space to turn it back on. First point. I got to turn my snap off. So why did I turn the snap off? On snap goes to the grids. This one is not on the grid, so I got my 2x2, just like the picture. Um, so the next one, it looks like they have a rhombus with a 45-degree angle. So start with line. Let's make it 10. 10. Maybe 2020 line. 20, 20. See where that goes. Too much. We'll do it over here, I guess. All right, let's make it 6. I'll make it 6. 180. Good. Make it 4. It's got to be 45. All right, so we got to go 6. At 0. Then we could close. Still 4. Good. Now we're going to use dim angular. This one, specify. Let's control Z out of that. Control Y. Try to look at dim angular again. Oh, so all right. So dim angular, we got our 135. We got our